Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Drawing and Design Studio Laboratory. In this video, I will explain Pre-Module 2 to the sketch to 3D modeling. First, open Autodesk Inventor 2026, then open the file Pre-Module 2. In the top right corner, you will see a view cube which can be clicked to customize your work view. You can also hold Shift plus middle mouse button to rotate the view. If you only want to pan, just hold the middle mouse button. Scroll down to zoom in and scroll up to zoom out. Okay, the first tool we will use is Extrude. You can go to the 3D Model tab and then click Extrude. You can select the sketch and make sure the distance is set to 10 mm. You can change the taper angle to -20. Or you can change the angle by click the row. And then you can click OK. Next, click Extrude again. Select another sketch. You can drag to adjust the row, or you can just click the panel direction. And make sure the distance is set to 15 mm. And set the output or the boolean to new solid. And then you can click OK. The second tool is Revolve. You can click Revolve. And then you can select the profile from the sketch. And select the axis like shown in the video. And the object will revolve around the axis and will look like this. And then you can click OK. The third tool is Sweep. You can click Sweep from the 3D Model tab and make sure the output is set to new solid. And you can select the profile first and then select the path or the edge line as shown in the video. And then you can click OK. The fourth tool is Loft. You can click Loft from the 3D Model tab. And then you can click the first sketch. Click the second sketch. And then click the last sketch. And make sure the output is solid. And then you can click OK. The fifth tool is Coil. You can click Coil and select the circular sketch. Then for the axis, you can choose the line as shown in the video. Then set the pitch to 10 mm and set the revolutions to 10. And ensure the output is new solid. And then you can click OK. The sixth tool is Fillet. You can click Fillet from the 3D Model tab and then zoom in. You can click on the model edges as shown in the video. And set the radius to 5 mm. And then you can click OK. The fillet tools creates rounded edges on the model. The seventh tool is Hole. you can click hole, and then you can select a position on the 3D model surface. Before that, make sure the center point option is turned on, and then you can choose the hole position. For the first hole, set the hole type to simple hole, and then set the seed type to none, and set the diameter of the hole to 3 mm, and then you can click OK. For the second hole, you can click hole again, and then click on the surface of the model, and then change the seed to counterbore. And you can add dimension by clicking on the surface line as shown in the video. And you can set the dimension to 5 mm. And you can set another surface line, and you can set the dimension to 5 mm, and then you can click OK. The hole will look like this. For the third hole, you can click hole again, and then click the position of the hole on the surface, and change the type of seed to spot face. And then you can click on the surface line, on the circular surface line, to make the hole in the center of the 3D model. And then you can click OK. The hole will look like this. The egg tool is chamfer. You can click chamfer, and you can select the edge of the object as shown in the video. And then you can set distance to 5 mm, and then you can click OK. The model will look like this. Chamfer creates an angle or slanted edge at the end of the object. The 9 tools is thread. You can click thread and zoom in, and select the bottom surface of the 3D model as shown in the video. And make sure the parameters are the same like the example. And you can set the offset to 10 mm, and then you can click OK. The object will look like this. The 10 tool is shell. Click shell, and you can select the surface of the 3D model that you want to hollow out, and stack the thickness to 1 mm, and then click OK. The 3D model will become hollow as shown in the video. The 11 tool is rectangular pattern. You can switch to the top view and zoom in and click rectangular pattern, and you can select the whole features. And for direction A, you can click a line on the surface as shown in the video. And you can change directions by click the row and set the number to 5, and set directions to 12 mm. And for direction B, you can select another surface like shown in the video, and then you can click OK. The object will look like this. The 12th tool is circular pattern. You can switch to the top view and then zoom in and click circular pattern, and you can select the whole features. And for the axis, you can select the surface line as shown on the video, and then you can click OK. The object will look like this. The 13th tool is mirror. Click mirror, and then you can select the object to mirror and click work plan, and you can select the appropriate work plan as shown on the video, and then you can click OK. Then the object will look like this.